Hello, I'm Don McCann of Structural Energetic Therapy, and I want to go ahead and take a moment to talk about one of the important things in doing deep tissue myofascial work. That's having a good product to go ahead and use as a lubrication between the skin. One of our concerns with doing the deep tissue work is that we don't move too fast, that we go slowly and allow the body to unwind and the body to relax into the stroke. The other thing is that the skin doesn't create unnecessary drag, so we're paying attention to the skin rather than the fascia or the muscle tissue underneath. I have found the Bonvital Shea Butter is the absolute best product on the market anywhere to go ahead and do the deep tissue therapy. The beautiful thing about it is the viscosity is such that it's not greasy, it's not real slippery, but it allows the skin to kind of disappear, so the stroke and the pressure of the stroke is governed just by the tissue underneath. So we're not using skin drag, we're not pulling hair, nothing like that's happening, but we're able to pay attention and move the stroke as the tissue releases. I tried many other oils or different lotions. It was either would move too fast, move too slow, would have a greasy effect. Clients wouldn't like it. Some clients would have allergic reactions to some of the scents that were in the different products. But we found the Bonvital Shea Butter has next to no scent, leaves no big residue, absorbs easily into the skin, and best of all, provides exactly the sort of lubrication we need when doing the deep tissue work. Again, we start all of our classes off and all of our students taking structural energetic therapy with Bonvital Shea Butter and recommend they use it throughout.